Welcome back to Culture Ccrew channel, and before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and futuristic vehicle tours. Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury meets innovation and comfort blends with technology. This is the full review of the 2026 double-decker luxury RV, a futuristic motorhome that completely redefines road travel. From its bold exterior to its high-tech interior, from its performance to its pricing, this is an RV designed to make every journey feel like a first-class experience on wheels. Let's dive into the details and explore what makes this double-decker masterpiece stand out in the world of modern motorhomes. The exterior of the 2026 double-decker luxury RV is an instant attention grabber. Its tall, sculpted profile stretches across a long wheelbase, creating a commanding presence on the road. The sleek aerodynamic shape helps reduce wind resistance despite its massive size, and the continuous LED light strip across the front adds a futuristic touch. The smooth metallic paint options include chrome silver, midnight titanium, and glacier white, all of which enhance the premium character of this motorhome. The frameless panoramic windows extend from the lower deck to the upper deck, giving the RV a glasshouse appearance while offering passengers breathtaking views of the outside world. Down the sides, you'll find smart access storage compartments that open electronically and provide huge space for luggage, tools, travel gear, and outdoor equipment. The powered retractable steps slide out as soon as you approach, and the hydraulic self-leveling system stabilizes the RV automatically when parked. On the roof, the integrated solar panel array constantly charges the auxiliary battery system, reducing generator usage and making off-grid travel easier than ever. The rear of the RV features a clean, modern design with vertical LED taillights, a high-mounted camera, and an optional small vehicle garage designed to store a motorcycle or compact electric scooter. Stepping inside, the interior of the double-decker luxury RV feels like entering a premium luxury apartment. The lower deck is crafted with high-end materials including hardwood flooring, soft ambient LED lighting, and leather-trimmed surfaces that create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The living area includes a spacious lounge with electrically reclining sofas, a smart TV entertainment setup, and a large cafe-style dining area perfect for family meals or remote work. The panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, giving the interior an open and airy feel. The kitchen is one of the standout features, equipped with a full-size smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, deep sink with purified water tap, and plenty of storage cabinets for long road trips. The countertops are made from durable quartz composite, and the built-in lighting beneath the cabinets adds an elegant glow. Moving toward the rear, the lower deck also features a luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a modern vanity setup. Every inch of the space is designed to provide comfort comparable to a luxury hotel suite. Heading upstairs, the upper deck is all about relaxation and privacy. The wide staircase leads to a second lounge area or optional bedroom setup depending on the chosen configuration. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, full surround speakers, customizable lighting, and an upper panoramic skylight that allows you to sleep under the stars. Additional sleeping spaces include convertible sofa beds for guests, making this RV perfect for families or group travel. The climate control system operates independently on both levels, ensuring personalized comfort for everyone on board. When it comes to performance, the 2026 double-decker luxury RV uses a powerful hybrid diesel-electric system that delivers impressive torque to handle highways, mountains, and long-distance travel. The smooth automatic transmission ensures effortless driving despite the vehicle's large size. The advanced suspension system absorbs bumps for a stable, comfortable ride, and the RV is equipped with multiple driving assistance features including lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a full 360-degree camera system for easy parking in tight spaces. The battery-assisted drivetrain reduces fuel consumption significantly, giving you more mileage and less noise when cruising on electric mode. On the road, the RV feels surprisingly easy to control thanks to its responsive steering system and improved braking technology. Whether you're driving across states or exploring scenic hill routes, this RV promises a smooth, confident driving experience. Safety has also been a priority, with reinforced body construction, fire suppression systems, and enhanced stability control to keep passengers secure on any terrain. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 double-decker luxury RV comes in different configurations, starting from a premium base model and going all the way up to a top-tier fully customized version. Prices typically range from the high six-figure bracket to well over $1 million depending on optional upgrades, interior materials, custom layouts, and added technological features. This RV is clearly built for serious travelers, luxury seekers, and those who want the ultimate mobile living experience. And that completes our in-depth review of the 2026 double-decker luxury RV. If you enjoyed this detailed tour and want to see more futuristic car and RV reviews, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching Car Culture Ccrew, and we'll see you in the next one.